Today, I'm gonna show you how to bake a pizza. First step is to heat the oven, because when we put the pizza, it needs to be in good temperature. It needs to be 325 degrees. I'm gonna present you now the ingredients. This is sauce tomato, this is flour, and this is cheese. And this is dough for 4 people. I'll put a teeny bit of flour for the both sides. Equally. Pizza is supposed to be equally like a square. I get my guts out. And when I'm done, I need to just do a teeny bit. And when I'm done, I'm gonna do my ingredients. Now, when I roll it a little bit, I'll stretch it, and I put it on the plate. Now, we put the ingredients. Sauce tomato first. First the sauce tomato. We put it around, and we give some corners for the bread, if you want the crust of the bread. Now I put the cheese. And after when I'm done with putting cheese equally, I'm gonna put it in the oven. I'm gonna check if it's a good temperature. Now I put it in the oven. I'm gonna check if it's good temperature for put it in the oven. It's a good temperature. Now I put it in, and I'm gonna put a glove for not burn my hand. After 10 minutes, the pizza's ready. Now, we taste the pizza. Delicious.